Hi everyone, this is Swapnil. Now today we are going to see a pressure washing pump from Crompton. This is CPW type of machine, and this is CPW70, which is a basic machine. I have ordered this basic machine for domestic purpose to clean these type of tiles where there are many creases there inside, and usually the dust it gets locked here. So for this purpose and for cleaning my bike and car. So let's see what are the things comes with this package. Here is the instruction manual. It shows there is 70, 110, 110, 30 and 150. These variety are there, but I have ordered this basic instrument for domestic purpose. So this is the connecting pipe for the pressure gun. These are the connecting rods or extension rods. These are two of them. Then comes a sprayer, so you can spray the color also with this. This is some stand, I think. So this is pressure gun which is used. And these are connectors for connecting the pipe from the water outlet. And this is the machine. This is one more outlet. This is having electric supply. Here you are supposed to connect the outflow of the pump, and at the back side here you are supposed to connect the water source. So now all these are parts which are here. These are included in the box. So let's see how it works. So this is a complete assembly. These are very excellent quality material. This has to be connected like this. You have to push it down and then rotate and it gets locked. And this is the thing completely attached to here. And this is the water connection which is given. All material are very excellent quality. You can see here it is almost looking like new. This was the before I was spraying the water jet, and this is after the spraying the water jet. It's cleaning very fast. See. This is the job which is done, as you can see here, with the pressure pump, water pressure pump, and still little bit of dust is there because I have cleaned this after 7 to 8 years after putting on the tiles, and this is the first time I have used this type of jet. So I think if I do it one more time, it will be cleaned completely and all the dust particle will go off. See the difference. This is the original part I have not cleaned. This is the color, and you can see the difference. This part is cleaned, the upper part, and as well as this. So this is almost whitish, and most of the dust has been cleared completely. I am very happy with the treatment with this water jet. After using this, and put it in sunlight to get it dry. So this is the one, and next time we will see how we can clean up the motorcycle as well as garden furniture, because the garden furniture are also having many crevices in that. So we'll see in next video. Thank you.